Hello guys, in this video let us look at this syrup Ventoxol LS Junior. This is some strawberry flavored cough syrup. So it contains LS, I'm thinking is LevoSalbutamol. So it's a bronchodilator. Ambroxol is a mucolytic. Guaifenesin is what? Expectorant. So it contains levosalbutamol, ambroxol, guaifenesin. This is junior. That means to say I'm thinking it's for kids or what? Let's look inside. It contains a liquid. Let's look inside how it is. The pouring. Okay, you see it's a beautiful syrup. Okay, and let's taste it also and find out how it is. Strawberry flavored typical syrup. Okay, so now let us look at the classification, guys. So in drugs for cough, what and all have they put in this syrup? Let us look at that. We are here to learn pharmacology. Levosalbutamol sulfate, ambroxol, guaifenesin. Okay, levosalbutamol sulfate. See that levosalbutamol, it comes in bronchodilator. Okay, it's actually adjuvant antitussive. So along with this drugs for cough, they are adding an adjuvant. This is a bronchodilator actually. Okay, so that the person will be able to breathe better. Bronchodilator, salbutamol. Actually, they have put levosalbutamol. What have they else they have put here in this? What one? Levosalbutamol over. Then ambroxol. Ambroxol. Where's ambroxol here? Here. Ambroxol is a mucolytic. So it is an expectorant. It will break the mucus, right? And it will come out easily. So it will thin the mucus basically. So it is one more thing. Then guaifenesin, right? Guaifenesin is what is there. Okay, guaifenesin is a secretion enhancer against expectorant. Okay, the other thing is because of this sugary syrup kind of thing, right? It might coat the throat. As it might coat the throat, it may actually provide this pharyngeal demluscent effect. Okay, here syrup itself directly they've written, right? So because of this, it might give that kind of coating for the throat so that that irritation will stop and they can stop coughing. That's all, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Say bye. Bye.